Hey guys, it is very sunny outside. So I'm going to make a quick snack for me and my brother. Let's get started. I will be making a Japanese dessert called Dorayaki. To me it looks like a pancake, and I'm pretty sure you normally fill it with like jam or cream, but today I'm gonna fill it with Nutella because I love Nutella, and so does my brother. So let's get started. The steps are quick and easy. So here we have some flour, yeast for desserts, just put that in, powdered sugar, honey, have two eggs to one of them. Second. And finally, just some water. Mix all of this together. I think it's a pancake. Well, it looks like a pancake and most of the ingredients are similar. Once you have the consistency like this, nice and fluid, you should be done. Just check if there's any more groominess. So, liquid butter. I have this fry spray thing. I don't know. Just gonna spray some on. Is this even the right one? Oh yeah. Just making sure the whole pan is greased up. Now we just wait for it to heat up, and then we can add in our batter. So I just filled this to the top, as you can see here. Just gonna how mesmerizing that is, isn't it? So as I just flipped before, once you see like some bubbles on the sides, that's when you know how to flip. It's the same for pancakes. Once the bottom is done, I'm gonna put it out and I'm gonna add the rest of my batter. I have quite a lot to go, so I'm just gonna finish that. Yeah, that's pretty much done. Let me just check on this. Yeah, that's definitely done. If you want to see, that's how I look. Yeah, maybe a little bit more actually. Just a tiny bit more. Okay, that is a wonderful colour. Just gonna put that there. We are finally finished. I filled some Nutella inside, as you can see here. Me and Brandon are gonna do the taste test. Let me just split it.
Yummy! This looks so yummy. It looks so yummy.
Yes, I know it does. It's a little. Okay. Well, that is a long Nutella.
Yummy! I want to have the.
Do you want the bigger? You want the bigger
no,
one?
Bigger.
Okay, yes. Sure.
Big.
Oh, look at that one. Oh, that look. How am I? Oh yeah, mine does have it.
Uh-oh, it's almost leaking there.
Mmm. Yeah. He's already singing. Thank you for watching this video. You liked it, Brandon? You like it? We both like it. Make sure to try this. Once again, if you need the recipe the ingredients actually, and the measurements, just ask us and we'll drop it in the comments below. Alla prossima, ciao!